In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simplest way to assign security roles to a form in Microsoft Dynamics 365, ensuring that only users with specific roles can access that form. First and foremost, it's essential to have the proper permissions to undertake this task, which means you'll need system administrator privileges or an equivalent level of access. Now, let's begin. Start by navigating to the Settings area in Microsoft Dynamics 365. If you're using the unified interface, you'll need to click on Advanced Settings to proceed further. Once in the Advanced Settings, head over to the Customization section and select Customize the System. This step opens up the Solution Explorer, a crucial area where you'll find and manage various elements of your dynamic setup. In the Solution Explorer, direct your focus to the Entities section. Here, it's important to locate and expand the specific entity associated with the form you aim to manage. For instance, if you want to control a form related to a customer record, find and expand that particular entity in the list. After expanding the relevant entity, the next step is to click on Forms. Within this section, you should see a list of forms related to your chosen entity. Locate the main form that you wish to restrict and select it. Doing so opens up the Form Editor. On the Home tab of the Form Editor, you'll find an option labeled either Enable Security Roles or Assign Security Roles. Clicking this option is pivotal as it leads you to a dialog box that allows you to set the desired security restrictions. In this dialog box, you'll notice an option that likely reads, Display only to these selected security roles or something similar. Selecting this will allow you to specify which security roles should have access to the form. It's crucial at this point to carefully choose the security roles that need access and ensure they are selected. Additionally, as a best practice, consider marking one form as a fallback. Setting up a fallback form ensures that users who don't have an assigned role-specific form still encounter a default form, rather than getting an error or seeing nothing at all. Once you've made your selections and are satisfied with the setup, it's time to save your changes. Saving ensures that all your configurations are intact. Following this, you must publish your customizations. Publishing is a vital step as it applies the changes and makes them live. Without publishing, your adjustments won't take effect, and the old settings would still be in play. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you can effectively manage who sees what within your Microsoft Dynamics 365 environment, making it a more secure and tailored experience for users. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to enhance your Dynamics knowledge.